Hey, I'm Ellie Krieger, and I wanted to read something from my notes that I took away from today's Oh Freebird Fly workshop. And it was really cool. Today we kicked off listening to some of the women give specific words, and one of them said the word redeem, and she gave a whole bunch of synonyms for it that I wrote down, like rescue and recover and regain and reclaim. And I wrote next to reclaim, like reclaiming your life, and it was cool when we were given some time to journal on some of the stuff that just, I don't know, anything. We had time to journal today and reflect, and I wrote down that that it's time to reclaim your purpose, and that just because something's been distant in your life doesn't mean that it's lost. And I thought that was so cool. So maybe you need to hear that. If there's something in your life that feels distant, it doesn't mean that it's gone, and it's totally your time to reclaim it. So I just love that. That was a big takeaway for me today.